You keep taking many bodies. Okay, this is one of those bodies you have taken. You have taken any number of bodies, physical expressions. So उसे कहते हैं हम, पहला तो आत्म सिद्धांत है, दूसरी बात है पुनर्जन्म सिद्धांत. ये सिद्धांत नहीं है. सिद्धांत comes from analyzing the facts. When you analyze the facts, you will understand the principles. When you understand the cosmic movements, then you know how the moon comes in between the earth and the sun and you get an eclipse. You know. So, all these things you understand cosmic phenomena, understand you scientifically when you are really a scientist. When you are a real scientist, you will understand that you are an Atma. When you are a stupid fellow, you think that you are only atoms and molecules. Science is against stupidity, and stupidity is against science. All stupid people, they kill scientists. No scientist ever kills anybody. All people who are against science, they are against truth. They want to kill people who are against their opinions. Science gives life to everybody. And spiritual science is the mother science, is the father science, the basic science.
Thank you and good luck.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.